चलिए स्टूडेंट्स, मैट्रिक्स का एक अन्य इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। ये आपका CBSE में पूछा गया है। CBSE में 2016 में पूछा गया है। ठीक, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहले हम क्या निकालेंगे? ए स्क्वायर निकालेंगे। ठीक, सो ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू क्या से निकलेंगे? ए स्क्वायर निकालना बड़े ध्यान से सीखिएगा। ठीक है, चलिए अब इसका हम चलिए निकालते हैं। ध्यान से देखिए कैसे निकालते हैं। चलिए, इस कॉलम से हम इन सब रो में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। ठीक, इस कॉलम को हम इस रो में पहले मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। चलिए करते हैं। तो 1 इंटू 1 1 प्लस 0 इंटू 0 0 plus 2 into 2, that is 4. Now once again 1 into 0 0 1 0 into 2 0 2 into 1, that is 2. 1 into 2 2 0 into 0 2 into 6। ठीक है, नाउ इस कॉलम से हम इन सब रो में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। तो 0 इंटू 1 0 2 इंटू 0 0 0 इंटू 2 0 फिर 0 इंटू 0 0 2 इंटू 2 4 0 into 1 0। Okay students, now once again 0 into 2 0 2 into 0 0 and 0 into 3 0। ठीक, now 2 into 1 2 1 into 0 0 3 into 2, that is 6। okay, now 2 into 0 0 1 into 2 2 3 into 1 6। now 2 into 2 4 1 into 0 0 3 into 3, that is 9। now इसको हम यहाँ लिख लेंगे ऐड करके। ठीक, चलिए 1 plus 4 5 0, that is 2, that is 8, that is 0, that is 4, that is 0, that is 8, that is 5, that is 13। okay, now we have to find a cube। so 1 0 2 2 0 2 0 2 1 3। now start। first column is multiplied by all the rows। 1 into 1 1 into 5 5 plus 2 0 into 0 0 2 into 8, 16. Okay, now 1 into 2, 2. 0 into 4, 0. 1 into 2, 2. 0 into 4, 0. 2 into 2 into 5, that is 10. Okay, now 4, 1 into 8, 8. 0 into 0, 0. 2 into, that is 26. Now next, this column, 0 into 5, 0, plus 0 into 0, 0, and 0 into 8, 0. Once again, 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 5, 10. Let's see once again. 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 4, 8. 0 into 5, that is 0. That is 0. Now next, 0 into 8, 0. 2 into 0, 0. 3 in, 0 into 13, also 0. Okay, now this 2 into 5, 10. Okay, 1 into 0, 0. 3 into 8, 24. Okay, okay, now 2 into 4, 2 into 2, 4, plus 1 into 4, 4, plus 3 into 5, 15. Let's start. 2 into 8, 16. 1 into 0, 0. 3 into 3, 39. Now we will that is a cube. A cube is 5 plus 16, 21. 2 plus 10, 12. 26 plus 18, 8, sorry. So that is 34. That is 0. That is 8. That is 0. That is 20, 34. That is 23. And that is 55. Okay, we have a cube. Now what we have to find? A cube plus minus 6a square plus 7a plus k I3 equal to 0. सो हम लोग इसमें पुट करेंगे वैल्यू सबकी। ए क्यूब की वैल्यू क्या निकाली हमने, ये निकाली है। सो डैट इज 21, 12, 34, 8, 0, 8, 0, 34, 23, 55 minus 6. A square is, this is a square, 5, 2, 8, 0, 4, 0, 8, 5, 13 plus 7. A की वैल्यू, A is this is A, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 3. K times I is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 equal to, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now next okay, now next 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. अब देखिए 21 और इसमें से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 30, ठीक। सो इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 21 माइनस 30 और प्लस 7 और यहाँ पे k, ओके, ठीक। नाउ नेक्स्ट 0, that is 0 and that is 0, that is 0, that is 0, that is 0. Now next 34, 6 8 जा 48 minus 48, okay. Now this is 7 2 ja 14 and that is 0, okay. When we multiply k to 0, that is 0. Now next 12, okay, 12, 6 2 ja 12, now that is 0, also that is 0, okay. And here 8, 24, that is 14 and that is k. Now next 23 और ये 30, ये 7 एंड ये 0, ओके। नाउ इसको लेते हैं 34, 48 प्लस 7 2 जा 14 प्लस k इंटू 0, 0. नाउ नेक्स्ट 0 और 6 इंटू 0 प्लस 0, that is also 0 and that is also 0. Now here 55, 6 into 13, 78. 7 into 2 3, 21, and that is plus k. Okay, now next step. Okay, now after solving this, zero, 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 zero. ठीक, यहाँ पे अब जब सॉल्व करेंगे, वेन एवर वी विल सॉल्व दिस, 30 minus 21 that is minus k, and minus k plus 7, so that is k minus 2, that is k minus 2. Here is 0 and here is also 0. Okay, that is 0 and that is 14 plus 8, that is 26. No, 14, that is 22. 22 minus 24, that is minus 2, and so that is minus k, k minus 2. And here also 0, and this is also 0. 34 plus 14, 48, 48 minus 48, 0, and here is also 0, and 55 plus 21, that is 76. 76 minus 78 equal to minus 2, so that is k minus 2. Okay, now we can write comparing k minus 2 is equal to 0, so k is 2. This is your answer. This is your answer. Note down, student, this is a very important question. This is important question for you.